everybody, welcome back. और so आज का वीडियो है it's about the unboxing of the Grabox, the beauty box for the month of November 2018, and this is how it has come to me. It came today because I placed it on 1st of November. I placed the order on 1st of November, so it has taken around 9 days. And yeah, this has come with this, and after I open this box, I get this card where it says congratulations on your miniogram. So here is this informative pamphlet, I can say, or yeah, a kind of a card where all the details of the product are mentioned here. So let's open this. So the first product, as soon as I open, I have got this Neem Powder. There are few holes here on top of it. So this is the powder, Neem Powder. I have got it. So you can use this in your DIY face mask, and directions they have given here to mix with water or rose water, and you can apply it. And this has the expiry date of 3 years. It's of 100 grams here, and this is worth of 300 rupees. So this is the powder, Neem Powder, which you can use it to apply it on face, and this is with tea tree oil. So neem face mask, I just love it because mine is a acne prone skin and very oily skin, and like you can see, there is one here. So I keep getting a lot of acne and a lot of heat balls because of the main reason that I skip on drinking a lot of water, which is a bad habit of mine. But yeah, so I use a lot of neem face mask, and yeah, this is the outer remedy for my skin treatment, so to manage my skin, but internally, yes, I have to start drinking water. I shall. And my next product which I've got in my hand is the blush. Yeah, I wanted one blush, it's all totally gone what I have, and finally I've got the SFR blush. Okay, so let me open this. The blush, I have got it. See the pigmentation, nice. Oh, I'll do it. So this is the pigmentation. No fallouts, and well pigmented. Okay. And my next product is the lip color. This is the True Mate lip color. I've got red in shade. This is the lip color. The shade number here is 01 Milano Red. If you can. Okay. And this is red, hot red. I will show it. So this is the shade. So what I'm thinking, I'll apply it on my lips and show it to you. It's the lip shade. Hope you can see it. So this is my lip shade, red, and it's non-transferable. So this is the lip shade, and next I am picking up is the eye mask, the collagen eye mask. So this is worth 150 rupees. So this is the next product. After this I have got another product, that is this multicolored earring, lovely earrings, and I'll just try and show you. Lovely. Aha. So these are my earrings, so if you could make out. So these are really nice, very nice earrings. I'll give this background. See, these are really very nice. Okay, so moving ahead, let me pick the next product. Ooh. My next product is the earrings. This is another earring. I'll try out and show it to you. I liked this one a lot. Very nice, very pretty, and wow, these are so pretty. The one which you have to put this behind, this is really very, so this is really very small, so I'll take a bigger one in the store nearby. So these are really very small, so I think the one which you need to put this behind, this will go very soon, so I need to take this. See, it's so chotu. So tell me, how is it? So is this suiting my face? I don't know. I haven't worn such big earrings so far, and these are the ones. See how pretty these are. Very nice. I liked it a lot. And I have showed you all the products in my Grabox, and I have last one pending. Awesome. I wanted these huge hoops from long, So yes, so these are my hoops. I loved all the earrings. I loved this. I loved this. All three are amazing. This is so amazing. This is so amazing. This is so amazing. Very nice. I liked it a lot. So yeah. So these were the products I got. Blush, color, and lovely three earrings, then the eye mask, and never to forget, treatment for your skin, to maintain your skin. The best product, Neem face powder. So Neem face powder, amazing. If you want to purchase, I'll put the link where you can purchase this box from, and you shall be, so like I have already said, the products you shall be getting in this Grabox are worth of 1250 rupees, but you shall be paying just 300 rupees for this box with shipping. Yeah, and I'll give you the link in the description box, and go and check that out if you wish to buy one. And I loved this box, so I love this month's subscription box. Honestly, I'm saying that I'm very much satisfied, and I love these hoops, really. Okay, with this I'll end my video here. Hope you have enjoyed it. I hope you have liked it. If you have enjoyed and liked this video, click on the like button and subscribe my channel to stay connected. I shall be back soon with another video, another review, something different, maybe another video of another category very soon. Until then, take care of your health, stay happy, stay blessed, and bye bye.